Hello, lovely people. You're welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing amazingly well today. In today's video, I would like to share this lovely and amazing recipe with you. That is Nigerian delicious. The list of our ingredients are 8 medium-sized fresh tomato, 2 bell pepper, spring onion, vegetable oil, onion, black pepper, 1 yellow habanero pepper, seasoning cube, 6 eggs, salt, garlic, ginger and turmeric paste. So we are starting by chopping our tomatoes. I'll also chop the bell pepper that is set it aside to use later. I'll also be chopping the onion. I love to prep all my ingredients, keep them aside because it makes my work or my cooking so easy and fast. After chopping all our veggies, then we heat vegetable oil in a pan, add chopped onion and chopped bell pepper. Then add chopped spring onion. Fry until the veggies are almost tender. Now add in a teaspoon of ginger, turmeric and garlic paste. Then add the chopped tomatoes. Add the habanero pepper and ground black pepper. Stir to combine, then season with Maggi chicken cube. For more interesting videos guys, please subscribe. You know subscribing is free. Subscribe, click the bell icon and like, share and comment. Thank you. This will encourage me to put more efforts to do well in this channel. Okay, thank you. So I'll be pairing this very delicious recipe with some rice, that is boiled rice. Then I'll crack in some egg in the bowl. That is our 6 eggs I'll be using for this recipe. Then whisk and set aside to use later. Now quickly stir the veggies and add in the whisk egg gradually. Then sprinkle a little bit of salt if necessary. Then cover, allow it to simmer for 5 minutes on a very low heat. After 5 minutes, you stir occasionally to prevent the egg sauce from burning. With this method, you will achieve fluffy and delicious egg sauce. Cover again and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is exactly how it looks. You see how fluffy the egg looks. So at this point, you can taste and adjust for seasoning.